Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Learndash versus Tutor LMS video, and which one is the better option. Now, if you look at the pros and cons of Learndash, it has a simple UI, you have gamification, they have SCORM compliant, you have tons of add-ons to extend the functionality, and there's reliable support. The cons is that it is costlier than Tutor LMS, and there is no lifetime license. You need to keep paying year on year. The pros and cons of Tutor LMS is that simple and easy to use. It's more affordable than Learndash. You have free and lifetime licenses available. Cons is that no gamification, no SCORM compliant, less number of add-ons, reputation of support is not very good, and again you have less number of add-ons to extend the functionality and things like that. Now, if we truly think, let's say you need integrations and things like that, then obviously Learndash is the way to go. But let's say that you're on a budget. In that case, obviously you have to go for Tutor LMS. But if you ask for me and budget is not an issue, then Learndash is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.